I'm at New Hampshire Avenue for a walkthrough. Come on, take a look. Project NH11 is a strategic value-add opportunity with a target of 12.8% pro forma cash-on-cash return. It's delivered 75% vacant, allowing for immediate transformation. Phase 1 focuses on a full 400A electrical infrastructure upgrade. Project NH11 is now offered at $770,000 and is delivered 75% vacant. The pro forma financial outlook includes a negative 12.81% cash-on-cash return and an 8.61% pro forma cap rate. This is a strategic value-add opportunity, delivered 75% vacant, with a 12.8% pro forma cash-on-cash return. The infrastructure focus for Phase 1 is a full 400A electrical infrastructure upgrade. This is an investor opportunity for a 4-unit value-add multifamily property at 11,100 S New Hampshire Avenue. Offered at $770,000, it's a high-yield opportunity in the 90,044 submarket, delivered with 3 units vacant. Our strategic value-add plan for 11,100 S New Hampshire Avenue includes infrastructure and exterior upgrades, a pivot to Class A transformation, and interior excellence. Key elements include a 400A main panel upgrade and fully sub-metered utilities. Value-add realization is achieved through exterior modernization, a pivot to Class A multifamily units, and residential optimization, as seen in these before and after perspectives of the property and kitchen refresh. The total project allocation for the estimated renovation budget is $90,000, aimed at commanding top-tier market rents. This includes $30,000 for electrical infrastructure and $38,000 for the 3-unit residential refresh. The electrical infrastructure fact sheet outlines the project scope for 400A service modernization. This is needed to address NEC 220 load compliance and utility requirements, with an estimated total project cost between $29,000 and $35,000. Submit offers subject to inspection and take advantage of this rare 75% vacant high-yield opportunity. Contact Adlai Hayes for the full investor packet and rent roll. His contact details are on the screen.